Central Station in Antwerp, Belgium. Antwerpen-Centraal is the name of the main train station in the Belgian city of Antwerp. The station is operated by the National Railway Company of Belgium, NMBS. The original station building was constructed between 1895 and 1905 as a replacement for the original terminus of the Brussels-Mechelen-Antwerp Railway. The stone-clad terminus buildings, with a vast dome above the waiting room hall, were designed by Louis Delacenserie. The viaduct into the station is also a notable structure designed by local architect Jan Van Asperen. A plaque on the north wall bears the name Middenstatie. The station is now widely regarded as the finest example of railway architecture in Belgium, although the extraordinary eclecticism of the influences on Delacensere's design had led to a difficulty in assigning it to a particular architectural style. In W. G. Sebald's novel Austerlitz, an ability to appreciate the full range of the styles that might have influenced Delacensiere is used to demonstrate the brilliance of the fictional architectural historian who is the novel's protagonist. In 2009, the American magazine Newsweek judged Antwerpen-Centraal the world's fourth greatest train station. In 2014, the British-American magazine Mashable awarded Antwerpen-Centraal the first place for the most beautiful railway station in the world. Train Hall. The originally iron and glass train hall was designed by Clement van Bogaert, an engineer, and covers an area of 12,000 square meters. The height of the station was once necessary for the smoke of steam locomotives. The roof of the train hall was originally made of steel. World War II damage and restoration. During World War II, severe damage was inflicted to the train hall by the impact of V-2 bombs, without destroying the structural stability of the building, according to the National Railway Company of Belgium. Nevertheless, it has been claimed that the warping of the substructure due to a V-2 bomb had caused constructional stresses. The impact of the bombs are still visible due to a lasting wave distortion in the roofing of the hall. In the mid-20th century, the building's condition had deteriorated so far that its demolition was being considered. The station was closed on January 31, 1986 for safety reasons, after which restoration work to the roof, starting at the end of March 1986 and finishing in September 1986, and facades was performed. The stress problems due to the impact of bombs during the war was reportedly solved by the use of polycarbonate sheets instead of glass, due to its elasticity and its relatively low weight, 40% less than glass, which avoided the need for extra supporting pillars. After replacing or repairing steel elements, they were painted burgundy. Copper was also used during the renovation process of the roof. Expansion for high-speed trains. In 1998, large-scale reconstruction work began to convert the station from a terminus to a through station. A new tunnel has been excavated between Berchem Station in the south of the city and Antwerpen Dam Station in the north, passing under Central Station, with platforms on 2 underground levels. This allows Thalys, HSL4 and HSLZ wide high-speed trains to travel through Antwerp Central without the need to turn around. The major elements of the construction project were completed in 2007, and the first through trains ran on March 25, 2007. This complete project has cost approximately €1.6 billion. The station was awarded a Grand Prix at the European Union Prize for Cultural Heritage or Europa Nostra Awards in 2011. Station layout. The station has 4 levels and 14 tracks arranged as follows. Level +1, the original station, 6 terminating tracks arranged American Samoa, 2 groups of 3 and separated by a central opening allowing views of the lower levels. Level 0, houses ticketing facilities and commercial space. Level 1, 7 meter below street level, 4 terminating tracks arranged Indiana 2 pairs, also featuring the world-famous twin-level escalators that start off at a gradient, then become level, then resume a gradient again. Level 2, 18 meter below street level, 4 through tracks leading to the 2 tracks of the tunnel under the city, used by high-speed trains and fast domestic intercity services. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.